Well, welcome to Mountain Home Rookies. We're going to take a little bit of a change today. You can see it's still a bit snowy out here mid-March. So, if this looks familiar to you, zip tie and a drain. We're going to clean out an F-150 door. So if you look right there, F-150s have 2 drain holes in each door. This is the back one. And if you look forward, you'll see another one right back there. This one has a little bit of rust right there. So typically you'll see lots of videos online, instructions. These can get pretty clogged up on occasion. So you gotta reach something up there to kind of drain them out when they get full of water. Your head will water sloshing around in there. So what we're gonna do today is not just clean them out, we're gonna clean out the entire door and see what we got. Stuff out of there. Maybe get this one too. Just like that. So first thing you gotta do is gotta pop out these little plates. There's one here, cup holder, and this one behind your handle, and pop this up as well. Okay, pop those off. See, there's a screw there, screw there, and then there's a screw there, and a screw there. And we'll go take those off. And as you can see, they can be a little sticky. I need a little elbow grease in there, but they will come right out. There. And the bottom too, just like this. So you'll see right in there, there's a couple of connectors you need to disconnect first. Let's do it. And then in here you'll see 2 connectors right down here that you'll need to take off and then put back on when you have the door. And here's your door handle that you'll need to snap off. And to snap it off, there's 2 little clips on this side right there, just like that. That's it. Lift right off. Take your connectors off. And you're ready to go. So what we're gonna look at is inside these holes. Got a shop vac ready to go. Let's take a look. Okay. After you remove this little flap, you can see on the inside, make sure it's all clean. I'm gonna clean this part out, and then I'm gonna clean that out. And what am I gonna use? I'm gonna use a little shop vac. Get as much as we can, clean out the speaker a little bit, get as good as we can. Just like that. Okay, so I cleaned out the inside of there. Cleaned out the speaker over there as well. Just makes it pretty good. The last part will be the drain holes. So the best thing is to get a long device that you can stick up there and just kind of pull stuff out. Lots of recommendations on YouTube to use a zip tie. We've also used a hanger because then you can get further up. But that's the last part of this. Okay, once you're done with that, getting those holes nice and cleaned up, ready to put this back together. First step is to put the plugs back in, slide the handle back in, and then it will just sit right down like this. You just clip. Alright, a little bit of a pain, but when you snap it back on, just make sure you get the 3 clips in here. Make sure you get your handle slid back in, and then line up your doorknob. Once you do that, it will just sit right back in. This will just snap in, slide it to the right, and it clips right in. And now we are ready for the screws. In a future video, this little rust right here, we're going to look at some rust deoxidizers and some rust mitigation. Because as you can see from the water, it collects up and creates rust. But we'll go over that in a future video. And don't forget the drain hole over here as well. And if you have a lot of stuff up here, you'll start to see the water flowing out if it's pretty well plugged. Put it on. Just snaps in. Make sure it goes in the tabs on the bottom first. Line it up. And snap this back in. And just putting it back in. Once you're done, take this with that edge on the inside, and it just snaps right in there. That's it. Don't forget to snap in your little pieces that just stick right in there. Snap them in, and that's the door.
thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped you out. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you later. See ya.